Hello everyone, today we will show you how to use Subtitle Editor of UniConverter 13. Go to the Subtitle Editor, launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below to download. Go to Toolbox and click Subtitle Editor. Part 1. Create subtitles. Add the video that you want to edit. Click New option to create subtitles. Here you can edit the content and the start and end time. You can set subtitle font style, change the color, outline and opacity and position. Finally, you can add more subtitles. Just click the Add button. Or you can remove the subtitle if you don't want. After you finish editing the subtitles, just click Export to save the video. Part 2. Import subtitle files or auto-generate subtitle. Click Import. You can add the local subtitle file to video and edit the subtitles now. Tips. If you hope to add subtitle effortlessly, you can try the Auto Subtitle Generator. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.